How to edit booking page on Wix. Hey everyone, in this video, I will walk you through how to create or customize the event booking pages on Wix. We will learn how to find them, edit their design, and you can add a new event as well. And you can make your booking system look exactly how you want. So first thing first, what you have to do is just simply come on this website, which is wix.com. So right now I am using Wix Studio, but you don't need to worry about that, and just simply click on select your site and then click on the edit site. Now what you have to do, there are two apps which you can use to edit or make your booking page. First is you can use it, give me a second, go into apps, so search for events over here, and this is that app you can use to edit events, or you can edit booking as well. Now I will do is what I will use is Wix booking. Just simply go there, and this is the overview of this application. As you can see here, Wix booking overview offers one-on-one appointment, group session, classes, workshop, intro calls, and more. So this is the overview. You can just stop the video and you can read it. Now just simply click on the add to site, and it will take few seconds to add into our Wix editor. Now this is adding. Now we have successfully added our app into Wix. Now first thing what you have to do is create a service. You can create your service by just clicking on this app setting option, and from there you can choose Wix booking app, and from here just simply click on the create service. Now just simply wait for a few seconds. Now over here you have a little bit of templates which you can use. For example, visual consultation, return client session, or you can set up an online store setup. What I will do, I will just simply use this one. And now over here you have to enter your details like name, tagline, and description, and a duration of how much this event will take. Now just simply click on this save. You can come over here and you can customize based on your needs, like per session or with the plan, or you can choose how clients can pay for the service is per session. You can give us fixed price like $1,000 or 10,000 rupees. You can enter entire amount online, like payment preference is entire amount online. Of if you want to give entire amount either online or in a person, you can choose that too. Now choose the location. For example, right now I don't want to add a location, so what I will do, I'll just simply add a video conference, add a video conferencing that this service can be offered online. Just simply add that, save and continue, and it will take me to Zoom and hit the continue button. It will load for a few seconds to connect Zoom with this add section. We have successfully added. Now just simply click on the connect. It will connect this app. Now you have to enter your password and username, but I will not do that over here. So you can just simply connect your video conferencing app. Now you can assign staff as well. For example, search the select staff member. Now I have to create a new staff member if I want to add. Now these are the, you can manage your resources for your services. Once you create resources type, you can add them here to prevent overbooking. Now these are the templates you can use. Just simply click on the save. Now let's take for example, start talking booking online. You have to upgrade, but right now I don't have upgradation plan, so I will just simply cut it. Now go back into our website. What you have to do, let's see, show availability. Let's see it is working or not. Monday, yeah, it is working. click on this and let's see pricing and planning. In the pricing, okay, this is a different, this is a booking service. Now let's go back to in our website. If you want to add new, you can do that. Let's say if you want to set your work hours, you can set as well that. Just simply click on that, set hours. Now over here you can set hourly, uh, like you can set the default hours and uh, your staff are available for booking or not. You can schedule meeting if you want. For example, if I want on the Monday I will work from 10 a.m. for to 1 a.m. or 1 p.m. and then I will go for the lunch. I'll be not available till the lunch. What I will do, I'll just simply do 1 p.m. This I will change the timing and click on the add hours. So from here I can start the second session from 2 p.m. Where till 6 p.m. So this is, you can customize, and if you want if you want to work on the Saturday, just simply enable it, it will start. Now if you want to work, if you don't want to work on Tuesday, just simply deselect Tuesday, it will show not working. Now simply select save and save it and just remove it. Now let's connect payment method, click on the get paid. Now from here you will get to see some payment methods like PayPal, Razorpay. I'm an Indian, so I will get this kind of stuff. But if you lives in a different country, you can connect with your services. So this is simple. Just simply click on the connect and follow the guide, which uh, Wix will guide you simply. Now I will not add a payment because I don't want to add. So yeah, so as you can see here, we can manage our services as well. Just simply click on the manage after creating a services. From here I can change things up. For example, if I want to say that online store name is not good, I will choose different store online. Now just simply click on the save, and we have successfully updated our name. Now go back to our site. Now as you can see, our services is on live. Now we have successfully created a booking page on Wix. So just simply let's say click on the save and click on the preview button. It will give you a preview. Now let's click on the book. It will take you to the, now it will ask you to schedule your service. For example, I will choose this one, click on the next. Now it will ask you to choose the timing. You simply click on the next. Now to book I have to upgrade. Right now I don't want to upgrade the Wix, so what I will do, I will just simply back to editor. So we have successfully created a booking page on the Wix, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, then subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.